In this video, I will show you how to pay with Venmo on Uber Eats. To do this, just open up the Uber Eats website or app, and if you're using the website, click on the three lines in the top left. If you're using the app, click on Account in the bottom right, and from there, whichever one you're using, just go and click on Wallet. Now from within your wallet, you want to scroll down a bit until you see Payment Methods. From there, just click on Add Payment Method. Then here you will see Venmo, so go and select Venmo, and that will then redirect you to the app. So from there, just confirm that you want to connect Venmo to Uber Eats, and then what you can do is just do your order as usual. So just add whatever you want to purchase to your cart, and then what you want to do is just go to checkout. Then in checkout, scroll down until you see the payment method right here. So for me right now it says MasterCard, and go and click select payment method. And then after you have connected Venmo, you will see it in this list right here. So just go and select it, and then you can close this again. And then from there, just go and confirm by clicking on place order, and then it will charge your Venmo. So that's how to pay with Venmo on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.